Hello, DJ Cuba 15 here. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble a helicopter cube. So if you can't solve it when it's jumbled, or you just want to look at the mechanism, this is how you do it. So what you want to do is turn a edge, like to do the jumbling move, you turn it like that. You turn it so the corner is in the middle, about that place. Then you take this edge and you pry up on it. It might take a little while, but then you can get it apart. Then to take apart the rest, you just kind of right in the center is the sweet spot for taking it off pieces. So I can't just pull this corner off. I'm gonna move it to the center and then it will come off, because there's, like, as you can see, the center pieces stop right there, so there is a little gap for the pieces to come through. But after you got the first triangle piece and corner off, you just turn it and it'll disassemble itself, fall apart everywhere. Kind of fun doing this. At least that's what I think. I like this because it's fun, just disassembling puzzles by turning them. If it's not working, again, bring it to the sweet spot and keep pulling pieces out. Like, there's a corner, there's more edges. Okay. Just do what a non-cuber would do. Oh, one fell. Like this, like, yee! I could turn as fast as you. Just like that, and eventually you should just have a spiky ball of death core. Wait a second while I go get that one or two pieces that fell. Oh god. Got it. Ugh, my chair's loud. So, now that you have all of this disassembled, you should probably organize them, like all the white edges and corners go in one pile, but I'm not going to do that. To start, because I don't have time, to start with the first edge piece, you have to, like, align them up like that, and then put a triangle in, and keep putting white triangles in. And if any of your caps have fallen off, these things, mine didn't, but if they ever came off, do this step and then put them on. Where is it? It's always going to be the last piece I check. Or maybe it's still on the ground. Whatever. Come on. Come on, white piece. Here. Here, white piece. I flipped them all. Oh! Way in the corner. It came off and flew way in the corner over there. So yeah, once you get this step done, if any of your caps have fallen off, put them on now. And then get all your white corners. So there's one with white, there's one with white, there's one with white, there's one with white. And then just put them in according to each other. So like, you wouldn't put them in like this. You'd put them in like this. And then like this. And like this. Then you just kind of build off of this. And oh god, that one's a little hard to get in. Come on. Oh, because the center is not oriented right. Right there. Come on. You kind of just do this. The centers will hopefully auto align. You just do a lot of this. A lot of just sitting here, putting edges in. Oh god. Okay. Now you should be done the first part. And do the same that you did on the first layer. Align all the center pieces like that. And just keep building off of this. And putting corners in as you go, I guess. Here. There's one. I'll put the edge in first. There we go. Here. This is a bad video. Just, you get the idea. Keep putting edges in until you get to the last part. So, skip the video now if you don't want to hear me saying stuff. There's one. There's another one. And then the corner. There we go. Oh, to get these top edges in, you just kind of rotate it so that there's nothing holding back the other side of the torpedo. Pop it in and slide it back. Okay, now that you're at the last edge, just keep building off of it. Remember the sweet spot of the top, then the corners. So you can't put them in right now, but if you rotate the center a little bit, then they slide right in, and it's good. And I put the wrong corner in. There's one. There's two. Now you have your last two edges. Remember that sweet spot. Put the first edge in. You want to get this, oh god, it fell. You want to get this side underneath the center, and then use the sweet spot to just pop it in like that. Then your last piece, use like we did the last one. Make sure that side goes under the centerpiece first, and make sure it goes in the sweet spot. Then you have a fully assembled helicopter cube. So, hope this tutorial was helpful for you. DJ Cuber 15. Bye.